Passion.
Rhythm.
Art.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, including Northampton, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 5 miles southwest of Chester, or about 18 miles southeast of Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning area include Worthington, Williamsburg.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a coordinated monthly test at the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
General Hospital will continue in a moment here on ABC.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. WRTV Indianapolis serves the central Indiana area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Bryant Gumbel and Jane Clayson.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
$7,000 counts a day going over Bonneville, all spring.